Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Astha. Thanks for taking out time and joining me today in this video. So today is going to be a fashion video. So as you know, the lockdown has kind of lifted and we are now allowed to gather in small groups. So people have already started throwing garden parties, cocktail parties, barbecue, all sorts of outdoor events because it's summer. Come on, this is the only time people get. For this video, I have curated few outfits for summer and any sort of outdoor events that you are supposed to be attending in upcoming days or upcoming weeks. So this is the video for you guys. I have tried my best to sort of include different kind of outfits. Some may be a little bit more casual, some would be a little more dressy. So it's going to be a really good mixture of different kind of outfits. So if you are interested in such a video and you are looking for some outfit inspiration or just outfit inspiration for summer, keep on watching. If you really enjoy this video, then please don't forget to give a like. It would mean a lot to me. And if you want to see a lot more videos from me, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe. So I will be talking about each outfit individually and the reason why I think it works. These outfits are really adaptable to different situations and you can take some inspiration from this video and adapt it according to your wardrobe. So my first outfit is all black outfit. There's something about all black outfit in summer. It's so chic to me. I really like a monochrome outfit, and when it's all black, it's just up my alley. I really like it, and you don't have to try hard. It looks that you have put in a lot more effort, but in all honesty, you haven't. It's creating that effect, it's creating that impact. If you've been following me on Instagram or if you've watched my previous videos, you would have seen this outfit is my uniform for the summer. I mean, I am in love and I've been wearing these Bermuda shorts which I got from H&M, and I have shared this in my haul video as well. So if you want to check that out, it's linked in the description box. You can have a look after this video. So I have paired the black Bermuda shorts with black muscle tee which is from Bershka. These kind of voluminous t-shirts are everywhere. I think every brand has some sort of version of these kind of t-shirts. If you don't want to go and invest in a t-shirt like that, you can DIY it actually. So all I have done is I've paired these two pieces together with some chunky sandals, a handbag, and that's it. It just creates that effect. It just creates a beautiful ensemble. So this outfit is really casual, really summer appropriate, something that you can wear if you are having a barbecue with your family or very close friends. So it would work in a scenario like that when you are around people you are very comfortable with, and pairing long Bermuda shorts with oversized t-shirt gives a very androgynous look to your outfit. This could be one option if you are looking for something more casual. Moving on to the second outfit. So this outfit is a little less casual than the previous one. So I've used the same Bermuda shorts, but this time I've paired the shorts with tan tank top which I got from Mango. It's also in the last haul video, and I think these tank tops are really versatile. In my opinion, it's the perfect summer color, so it gives the outfit a lot more elevated look. It looks like you have put in a lot more effort, but you haven't. I always tell in my videos that basics are quite versatile, so investing in good basics is my #1 key tip. They go a really long way if you know how to style them correctly, and still it's very comfortable and perfect for gathering with close friends or just cocktail night or something like that. You are going to someone else's house and you still want to look a little bit put together, so this could be the outfit for you if you pair it correctly. If you pair with correct accessories, like I would pair this with a straw handbag, maybe tan sandals, or if you feel tan sandals and the bag is little matchy, then use chunky sandals instead. So in my opinion, it's the perfect summer city stroll sort of look, and I love it because it's very comfortable. And in summer I just want to be comfortable. I just want my linen materials, cottons, that sort of fabric are my thing. Yeah, that was the second option I wanted to share with you. Now the third outfit screams picnic to me. I don't know why, maybe because of the flowy skirt or just very clean sort of outfit and the florals. Sitting in a garden, having sandwiches, drinking something, rosé. We can dream, right? In this look, I have paired my floral slit skirt, which is again from H&M. And the thing which I really like about this skirt is the slit. It just takes it to another level. It just looks so put together. It looks so elevated in a way. Since floral skirt and the slit and everything, it's quite feminine. So I balanced out the whole look by pairing it with white crisp button-down shirt. It's not a formal event, that's why I opened my top 3 buttons to give it a more casual sort of party look. You can also pair a beautiful bralette inside so that it's like a peekaboo thing. Also, my hair was a lot greasy that day, that's why I pulled it back into a low messy bun. Sort of pulled my hair out a little bit. I really like that kind of low buns during summer. Gives a very lived-in sort of look. I don't know if I've shown this in the video, but I paired the outfit with the white trainers. If you are not comfortable with trainers, I mean, trainers are to be comfortable, but if you don't want to pair it with trainers, you can go for sandals. Sort of strappy heels would also work. And I really like this look because I think it's a very good balance of very feminine look paired with the sort of playful vibes. If you don't want to wear a shirt, you can switch that up with a crew neck white t-shirt and throw in an oversized denim jacket. That could be a potential look. So yeah, I mean, these looks are really versatile. See what works for you, see what you have in your wardrobe and work accordingly. And according to the situation as well, there are gatherings where you are not bothered and you can wear anything you like. You can be really comfortable, but there are some gatherings when you want to look put together, when you want to dress up a little bit. This is something for that. Now, this list would not be complete if I don't include oversized dresses or anti-fit dresses. I mean, these kind of dresses are everywhere. Like, you can find them in any high street brands, and I think they are perfect for summers because one, they are very comfortable. I mean, it's oversized, it's not hugging you, it's not clinging to you, and there is so much room to breathe, there's so much room to eat, which comes to my second point and my second reason why I love them, because you can conceal your food bump or baby bump, whichever you are trying to conceal. It's also great when you know you are going to eat a lot of food. Definitely wear something like this. There is something for everybody. I'm not saying this is the dress for you, but look out for something pattern you like, or the shape you like, or the cut you like. Find what suits your body type. But in my opinion, these kind of dresses suits everybody out there. And if you feel they are quite long, just adjust the length, or if you feel they are quite loose, then cinch your waist with a belt. That could be your accessory. I think they are roundup of everything. They are comfortable yet chic. I live in oversized dresses during summer. If you don't own an oversized dress, it's high time. At least you have to check it out. Now, fifth outfit, it's something different for me as well. I've never been really comfortable wearing crop tops in public. I don't know why. I feel they are kind of risky. Until this year. This year I thought I should give this a try. So the key is to pair your crop tops with high-waisted bottoms, because it creates a balance. In that way, it looks a little bit more polished, a little bit more elevated. So in this outfit, I have paired a black ripped crop top with my high-waisted white cotton trousers. These are from Zara, last year, I think, last to last summer. These have been in my wardrobe for over 2 years now. I have worn these trousers so much, and since you can get chilly, that's why I have paired the entire look with an oversized denim jacket to bind everything together. And again, it sort of creates a balance. As you can see, the crop top is quite snug, the crop top is quite fitted top part of your body, so you need a little bit of more volume towards your bottom, hence the loose fitted trousers. And this theory works and vice versa. I don't know why this kind of outfit gives me a very Scandi vibes, although I'm really short. Scandi girls are super tall. I'm 5'2". But you know what I mean, it gives a very chilled out sort of vibe. It looks like you'll be sitting in a coffee shop having your cappuccino, working away on your computer. So I'll be completing the video with another monochrome outfit. Monochrome outfits are the best thing that you can do. Even if you don't put in a lot of effort, it looks so elevated, it looks so much put together, like you know what you are doing. So this one is an all cream outfit, and I love how it turned out. I mean, I wasn't sure about it, but when I tried pairing these two pieces together, it just worked. It just looked really nice. So I paired a cream crochet beaded top, which is from Mango, and again, quite versatile, quite multi-purpose. You can style this tank top in multiple ways. What I've done is I paired the tank top with my cream dotted Zara trousers. This was something I got during quarantine, during lockdown, because these are so comfortable. They are just so comfortable. This outfit just works. It works so beautifully. Take a cream or a beige top and pair it with cream denims. That would work so nice. So this is something that you can try if you haven't tried it yet. all white outfit works amazing as well, but I thought cream works a little bit better for me. Just add a little bit of gold jewelry, straw handbag or a basket bag with some tan sandals. Just the perfect summer outfit. Absolutely love this outfit. So that is it, guys. Those were the 6 outfits, summer outfits, which I wanted to share. I mean, this is something that you can try it out for yourself, see what works for you, see what works for your body type, what you already have in your wardrobe, work around that. So this was just my interpretation, and these are the kind of outfits that I would wear it. I hope you all enjoyed my recommendation and enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a like and come back for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.